Show the lizard. Yeah, not in your mouth. Just show. Yeah, so big. It's like butterfly, which was the lizard was small. Now it is big, huge. He grew up in water. So we wanted to call to mom and dad to show, but because
Mama, I want the sunshine.
yeah, you want the sunshine for it. The time is not good. We just get after the nap, and you have night probably. So that's why we send in video.
Ooh, she sent the sunshine. Let me
Yeah.
move.
We-
I see that questions.
What do you see?
I see them.
Geese and goslings.
I see it.
Yeah,
It's so far away.
it is always some birds over there. Okay, sweetheart. Let's dress and go to slide.
Yay.
Yeah.
Can I believe it inside? Can I put it even smaller?
Yeah, if we will leave it over here, it will become smaller again.
Yeah, can I move again back? She's up. Вот такое большая вот такое.
Yeah. Okay, let's send it to mom
You're
and dad.
right, Lisa.
He's right. Okay, dress yourself. Let's go to the slide. Okay?
Let's go.
No. Dress yourself. Get off your. Take off your pajama. Put on some other dress. Okay, go.